Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on the lock screen in the Samsung Galaxy A54. And to do this you will need to open your settings, inside scroll down and look for the advanced features. Here we can see motions and gestures, and let's check which of them work on the lock screen. First one is lift to wake. If you enable it, then lock your phone. You'll be able to wake it up by just picking it up in the grip like that. So it should wake up without any buttons, but it seems this feature doesn't work at all. Let's try placing it down again. Maybe then it will work. Okay, I think, yeah, it works fine, but I needed to place it on a flat surface. Next one is double tap to turn on and double tap to turn off screen. There's two different options, and now if we lock our phone and then double tap, it will wake up, and if we do it again, it should lock, but it works when you have the lock screen set up. Next one is keep screen on while viewing. If you enable it and keep looking on your phone, I think you need to the camera needs to see you, and then it will never lock the timeout and it will be infinite. Alert when phone is picked up. If you enable it and receive any call during if your phone was locked or you haven't noticed it, it will vibrate next time you pick it up. Mute with gestures. Mute incoming calls and alarms by putting your hand over the screen or turning your phone face down. So you can mute any call if you place your hand like that above your phone, or if you put it upside down just like that. Next one is palm swipe to capture. Swipe the edge of your hand across the screen to take a screenshot. It should work like that, and then you'll be able to take the screenshots. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.